Not exactly the video I want to be making, but here we are. 454 is out, and if you can't already tell what's wrong with it, I'll show you here in a bit. Did take the exhaust manifolds off, just to make it lighter on this stand. We were able to only get the 1,000-pound stand from our Harbor Freight. As soon as we pulled it, saw this fun little thing right here. Crack basically from here, from here all the way here on both sides. So the block's ruined. Got to poking around on the transom that we really couldn't see when the block or the motor was in there. And we have some really terrible soft spots on the bottom end of it. So it went from a rebuild to a complete part out. I don't know what's going to be parted out on this engine. But you look at like the distributor, the spark plug cords, power steering pump. I'm not sure anybody would buy the water pump. I don't know how long it's been since it's been changed. I want to say 6 or 7 years. Power steering pump, which is right there, which is in still good condition. Oil filter housing, power steering plus fuel filter housing, probably in pretty decent condition. I mean, it looks fine. Motor as it sits right now, even, with the rust and whatnot, motor is completely seized. So I think right now, take the carburetor off, get a good cleaning on it, rock that out, see if that's sellable, giveawayable. Bell housing flex plate. Bell housing flex plate is all good to go. Flex plate's a little rusted. Don't know that anybody would buy it, but I do have a Corsa exhaust right there with a captain's call, which does work. Starter shit. Talked about that in a previous video. And it's about 10 o'clock here, so I can't really show you the boat and the condition of the fiberglass, but before I head to the fire station tomorrow morning, maybe I'll sneak in. I got my ladder right over there. Maybe I'll sneak in, shoot a quick video. Nothing this long. But yeah, gonna part out all the Mach 1 stuff in there. The chairs, the captain's chairs, the front windshield, the front seat, anything and everything that everybody wants. And then if there's nothing, it's gonna go to the dump. Trailer's gonna go to the scrap yard. Block's gonna go bye-bye. Our engine's gonna go bye-bye. Hopefully part most of it out of it. Lower unit's already off and in good condition. So I can recoup a little bit of money there. Not saying I'm looking for much, but definitely want to get onto my next boat. Wife loves the mid-cabin open bows. So I'm not really going to get into the closed bow boats or the cuddy cruisers or anything, or the cruisers or anything like that. So stay tuned, see what we do next. Not getting this boat to the Ozarks this year, clearly. Probably be 2 or 3 years before we buy another one. I got a lot of projects to do around this house, so stay tuned, find out. I'll keep uploading, especially once we get down to the Ozarks, once or twice this year. So thanks for following along. This sucks, not the video you want to make, but it is what it is. That's where we're at. Peace.